I forgot to tell you guys in an earlier video because I was, talking too much, running my mouth, you know how I am, but I give you the real deal. I really break it down for those who really have a lot of questions. Those who are in school, you always knew you sat next to somebody who really paid attention to that damn book, who really highlighted, who really did their homework, who really excelled on those fucking tests. There's people out there like that, and I just became one. That's how I went back to school. I got my degrees with an S, and I'm working on my master's degree because I have seen the light and said, yo, I need to be better than these idiots that I work for. You know what I mean? I got tired of working for idiots. Someone lit a fire underneath my ass and it's still there. I'm still on the move. So with that being said, there are some people who want a quicker video about, hey, just get me to the meat and potatoes and show me how to do it, and that's it. We're gonna do both of those. So for the learners, my website is thewellnesstrainingacademy.com. And I will have the link in the description below. And also right here, it should be saying right now, thewellnesstrainingacademy.com. I wish videos you could click on the video and the link just shows you right there. But hey, just in the link, the description below, you can click on the blue highlighted link. It's the only one that has a color in it. Click on it, it's blue. It'll go right to my website. So you're good to go. High speed, low drag. After that, those people who want it quick and fast and just needed super high speed and zero low drag, then yes, you need to actually go to the membership site on the YouTube channel right here. You're already on YouTube. Some videos are going to be like, hey, membership only. The membership is only going to be $1 to $2, like give or take, whichever video it's going to be. It is super affordable for everybody. You got your stimulus check, you got your stimmy. So if you got your stimmy, you got enough to pay for $1. Like, come on, you stimmy and drinky and smoky and eating and fucking, hey, you got money, seriously. So with the stimmy, take a little bit of that dollar or two, and then watch the videos if you really want it quick. So those quick videos will be something to where, hey, this is how you drape your table. Hey, this is how you drape your client. Hey, this is how you apply this and that. It'll be quick. It's without the explanations, because that's what you want, right? And it's going to be to where it's going to be a little bit of nudity here and there, but it's not going to be super crazy to where it's inappropriate, okay? Other than that, the people who do want the actual knowledge, go to the actual website, the training website, because that has all my training videos, all the hours upon hours upon hours that I have made these videos. Yeah, they're still long, even though I chopped them down, I edited all the time, crunching, and no publicity, no marketing, no production. It was all just me. One man band. I'm a warrior. Warrior, I don't need anybody. That's the difference between Marines and everybody else in this fighting force of America. We don't need nobody else. We are on our own. We're our own operators. No matter what job you have, we're still warriors. Other than that, you need to be an army of fucking 1 million. The Air Force, y'all got 4 planes in this fucking Space Force and all this other craziness. Like, Jesus, Marine Corps don't get no budget like that. Navy got damn near fleets, but they're our brothers and sisters. They're our sister squad. But anyway, we love the Navy. Coast Guard, yeah, man, y'all doing some secret shit. So other than that, if you just want to learn about every single detail and step, that's where you need to go, is the website, the Wellness Training Academy. That's for the super learners. Yeah, actually, it's for everybody. It's just for somebody who wants to spend hours learning it step by step, detail by detail. It's almost like when you're having field day and you got to detail your damn room. You got to clean even the ghost turds. Yeah, when the ghost turd or farts and shit, you got to clean that shit for real. And you know a ghost only has the little fuzzy thingies. And your cleaning of the room has to be so thorough. That's for you. That's for you. So if you want it quick and fast and you want like the real quick pace shit, then you need to go over here to the motherfucking quick, fast, and hurry section, which is the membership section. So now this separates you guys from complaining about, hey, this video's too long, this video's too short. Hey, can I meet in the middle? Now you have the best of both worlds. I'm meeting you in the middle. There is a fork, but there's a middle part of the fork in the road. You know how a fork is 3, really. A fork in the road really is like still, this is just the the heel part of it. There's still a pathway in here. You just gotta find it. Fork's got three prongs, like a trident. You know what I mean? Other than that, the membership website will be here for you, for those quick learners. And then we'll also have the membership website, which is only $25 for 6 whole months. Literally, if you sign up for January, guess what? It doesn't expire until July. 6 months, right? So you only pay $25 for training, and you can pay for your certificate. That would be separate. You watch the videos first to see if you even want to purchase a certificate, because some people already are trained. They just want further training. They forgot something to step. I just want the $25 membership. Then there's others who want to open up their own business, who need CEUs and continuing education classes. Then you need the certificate. That's what separates it. That's the differences. So for you guys are telling me I'm so confused about your website, you can either sign up for the membership and just watch the videos, or you can go over here and actually purchase a certificate, and you already purchased the videos. It's your choice, because you already bought the membership. You even have to buy the membership before you can even purchase the certificate. The certificate is just for somebody who basically says, I really don't want to go through esthetician school and wait 4 or 5 months. And what if you're in a location that doesn't even have a school, but I still want to learn this, but I have the clients, like a military base. Military bases have plenty of people, but they don't have plenty of schools. Or I might have to drive 100 miles just to go to school if I live in, or I'm stationed at 29 Palms, California, or if I'm stationed in Anchorage in certain parts of Alaska, I'm stationed in certain parts of Colorado, where NORAD is, Air Force bases. Shoot, Montana has a huge Air Force base that people don't even fucking know about, but it's out there and it's huge, but there's no schools. What if I'm in the mountains of Utah? Think about it. That's why you would need the classes. And then if I want to pay for a certificate and I can actually build my own business and I'm going to stay here for a while, my duty station is going to be here for the next 4 to 6 years, 8 years, whatever. What if I'm overseas? Overseas, there are no schools. I still want to learn this. So therefore, let me learn the videos. And if I feel like, man, this is something I can do, let me purchase the certificate. That at least lets me know I have a certificate of training that allows me to do this without question. And just in case the base general, whoever tries to say some shit, I have training. Here you go. Got my certificate. That's the separation. So I hope there's no confusion between that. And it can't be. They're two separate things. It's almost like, I don't want to break down military acronyms because most people don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. So it's just really simple to just become a member, $25, and I learn the videos. That's all I want. Or I want to further my education, open my own business, get continuing education credits. I want to get a promotion. I need to show my boss that I actually have great skills that are beyond all these other idiot so-called professionals. Yeah, I want the higher pay. Then you need the certificates. Same thing for a degree, certificates. The degree is great. Sometimes you just need extra training and you get a degree, you get a certificate on your own, blah, blah, blah. But what if I want to further my education, but I just don't want to go back to school for another 4 years or 2 years? Certificates. That's how we do in the IT field. That's what the separation is. Certificates versus, or they call certs, certificates, and you have a degree. Some people with certs move up faster than a degree because they require hands-on. The degree is all school-based. But if you have a degree plus the certification together, it's a powerful serum. You can't be stopped. Okay? So that's the separation. I know that's been a lingering question. I know I've been getting feisty with some of you guys, a little spicy. I got a little out of character a little bit. I apologize. Please forgive me. And I want to correct my mistakes. I want to go to heaven, for real. I really do. I want to eat shrimp and lobster in heaven all day, like for real. And the girl walk past and she got the wings and the booty. Whoa. Let's move on. So when you got, man, I was just thinking about that. That's like amazing. God is amazing. So when we make it to heaven, we're all good. But until then, we're here stuck in hell. But, I don't mean that, I want you guys to lose your mind because I said some shit like that. But if you're in hell, keep going. You don't stop in hell. Keep going. Because that's what they want you to do. Fuck that. You keep moving. You show that you're a badass. You show that you wake up in the morning. I'm for real. When I get out of bed every fucking morning, and as soon as my motherfucking feet hit the floor, guess what the devil says? That motherfucker like, damn, Benjamin's up again. This mother, really? He got it today? Yeah, because he sent all his best enemies or warriors, so-called devil or whatever the fuck y'all call it, evangelists or whatever they call the evangelicals, the racist people out here in the world, the motherfucking terrorists, the domestic terrorists, racist white men or women, or it could be my own people that want to see me dead. Shit, I don't think they're racist, but they just want to see me dead. He's mad, or it's mad, because I got the fuck up. Oh yeah, every morning, every night, anytime I get shit, I wake right out of bed like, dang, this fool is up again. That's what he said. Yeah, he hates it. Oh yeah, I laugh every morning. I'm like, yes, and then some, because I'm waiting for the day that I can take the head off that motherfucker for real, for real. Yes, and it's coming. So you need to be prepared. I'm already prepared. Other than that, please be safe out here. And also, before I go, I just remembered the short classes or the membership classes on the YouTube channel. This is strictly membership on the YouTube channel for $1, $2, whatever I'm going to price it at. It's going to be super affordable. That's going to be where you can also hear me talk about a lot of questions that I get on the website, because now I'm getting to the point where I'm actually blowing up. I'm almost at 50,000 subscribers, which is still small compared to these million subscriber channels. But for me, I never thought it would even get this far. Seriously, excuse me. I never thought facials and massage would get me 50,000. Like, really? But it has. And I probably have way more than that, just some people don't subscribe. Some people have jobs, they can't subscribe to certain things because of their background checks, because of their employment. I understand that. So I technically probably have 80 or 200, I just don't know. So with the 50,000+ that I'm just about to have, because literally every month it goes up a couple thousand, so it's probably gonna bump me over to 51 or over 50,000. I can't get to everybody's question at all. Like, it's super hard. And some people get mad, like, yo, I emailed you 3 months ago. Why are you just not getting to me? Yo, what happened? Fuck that question. I'm done. I already learned it. And it does suck, because some people really need an answer quickly, because they're probably going through something. They're going through a hard time at their job. Their boss sucks. Their coworkers suck. My steamer isn't working properly. Sorry, I don't mean to hit you like that. It doesn't work properly. What do I do to advance my career? How do I go back to college? Do I need to join the military? I have kids. My husband's a dumbass. He's fucking up and cheating and doing some other shit. What do I need to do? Oh yeah, do I need to leave his ass? Fuck yeah. Get your education. Move the fuck on. Some people need to hear that. And if I don't get to you in a certain time frame, that person could probably commit suicide, and that's on me a little bit. You see what I'm saying? What if I don't get to that person in time and they do a mass shooting in their office because they can't take it no more? That's on me a little bit. What if somebody asked me a question 2 months ago, a week ago, and I can't get to them really, really quickly, and they go ahead and throw the baby out the window because it's crying too much? No. It's gonna be all right. They're crying for a reason. They need your help. We're all crying on the inside. We just don't show it like a baby does. So we need you in the world. Without you, there's somebody else who suffers. So you need to stick in there. I know you don't see it that way, but it is just true. You've been a parent, a mom and daddy to somebody. Even if you might not have kids, but you raised somebody. You probably raised yourself. You are strong. You might have a disability, a handicap, mentally. You're still hearing me. You still feel me. Even if you can't see, there's still shit. Ray Charles and Stevie Wonder still wrote music. And I think there's a classical musical guy, I can't think of his name, that was deaf and still wrote like classical music. There's still a power in you. You can still do it. Shit, Stephen Hawking was all jacked up, all up in the, yo, he was still eating steak and lobster and he's still doing math equations while he's eating food. That dude was smart. Stay the course. Stay the course. You keep moving forward, okay? So that's what, in the quick videos, you'll also have a chance to ask a lot of questions. I can do, not Snapchat, I want to say Snapchat so bad, but it's not Snapchat, it's a super chat, to where I'm actually talking to you one-on-one. You can call me. My number is right there. You can email me, text me, DM me, meet me somewhere, whatever we got to do to get you through something. I go through shit all the time, for real, for real. I may talk a big game because, yeah, I can back it the fuck up. Yes, with no problem. No problem. No problem at all. But I do have my down days. Shit, it be days like, man, I'm not going to get no nookie tonight. It happens. I'm like, yo, I'm depressed. So I get my depressed moments too. Oh, damn, I can't eat shrimp and lobster tonight. Like, damn, what happened? Oh, yeah, I paid off those bills and now I'm broke. So, yeah, I get depressed about shit all the time. I see a favorite movie character that gets killed off. I'm like, yo, did that person have to die like that? Yeah, that's depressing to me because I was rooting for that person. Like, yo, they gonna make it. And then all of a sudden, bullet goes to their head. They didn't make it. So, yes, even the strongest have our weak moments at times. Or somebody in our family passes away. It's like, dang, man, you raised me from a kid and then now you know? Yeah. It sucks for everybody at times, but there's far more goodness than there are bad days. Just like the stock market. You could be down, whatever tenth of a point, whatever fuck it is, and it looks so horrible. People pulling their money out. But if you're smart, you keep your money in. That's when you can buy more stocks, just at a lower price. And then when that stock shoots right back up in the next couple of months or weeks or whatever, or a year, you're on top again. Is Apple stock always in the up? No, but it's most likely always in the up over time, or any stock. That's how your life is. You're gonna have your downs, but you're gonna have way more happy shit than downs. Come on, think about it. All right, be safe, be blessed. I'll see you guys next time.